Here I have BLACKBERRY Key2 and let me show you how to block calls on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's use the call icon right here. Let's go back and let's use this main screen of the call app and let's choose here more key. Select settings, choose call blocking. As you can see here, you can add a number to block some calls. So let me add a number. So let me just, for example, choose the following one, the random one, tap block, and you want to receive calls and text from the following number. You can also, of course, remove this number from this list and tap unblock. So everything is right here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.